Alright, hello YouTube. Let me see if my settings are set right, because sometimes they like to mess with themselves, so... Oh yeah, they're fine. Alright. I was afraid that they wouldn't be. Alright, so... Welcome back to Computers 101. I think, through this video, I would like to be pixelated. I mean, why not be pixelated? There's no reason not to. I mean, why not be pixelated? Okay, so, a question that a lot of people don't know the answer to is, what is the difference between a virtual machine and, an emulator? Well, we'll find out today. Find out today on Dragon Ball Z. Wait. Pretend you didn't hear that. So, the answer to that is that an emulator is completely virtual. Everything about it is virtual. There's nothing, there's nothing virtualized about it. Let me say it this way. Everything is virtual, as I said before, but that doesn't mean the stuff is virtualized, if you know what that means. Like, everything's emulated, not virtualized. Like, it doesn't have an actual BIOS ROM and everything. It just boots the operating system. And generally, emulators don't run as well because they don't actually virtualize the actual processor and the internet card and the video card and the sound card and all that other great stuff. Virtual machines will generally do it better because all that stuff is virtualized. If you use VMware, well, it actually has a Phoenix protected mode BIOS with the Phoenix Story ROM or whatever, all that great stuff. It's exactly like my laptop. So, I use the exact same BIOS ROM as my laptop itself, so that's kind of cool. And I'm gonna mess with my video effects some more. How about this one? This one's a little weird. No, so let's not use that one. Let's use this one. Okay, so I don't know if there's really much else to say, but emulators, like if you have an Apple Lisa emulator, that's not a virtual machine. That's just not a virtual machine. If you use PowerPC, that's also not a virtual machine. PowerPC is an emulator. It's a Mac emulator for current Macs, actually. I don't know what that was about, but VirtualBox, it's a virtual machine program. Virtual PC, well, it's quite obvious. VMware, it's a VM because it has VM in the name. Parallels has a strange name, but it's still a VM. Can't think of any more off the top of my head, actually, which is kind of strange because there's a lot more out there. But QEMU is a PC emulator. Is a PC emulator that I've never actually used. But VirtualBox can use it to virtual hard disks if you wanted to. I don't know why, but you can. I mean, why wouldn't you just use VHD or VMDK or VDI or HDD? VDI is VirtualBox. VHD is Virtual PC. VMDK is VMware. And HDD is Parallels. So I guess that really that clears up the answer to that question. Not much else to say. Switch my camera back to normal mode. Well, that really is it, I guess. So, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.